Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to wear a school knot tie. First, drape the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right and the narrow end on your left. Make sure the narrow end hangs about 12 to 15 inches shorter than the wide end. This initial positioning is crucial for achieving a well-balanced knot. We'll focus on the classic four-in-hand knot, a popular and straightforward choice for school uniforms. Now take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end. Then, bring the wide end up through the loop around your neck from underneath. Pull it down gently to create a snug, but not tight, initial loop. This forms the foundation of your knot. Ensure the fabric lies flat to avoid any bulges. This step is critical for the knot's structure and appearance. Next, bring the wide end across the front of the knot, from right to left. Then, push it up through the neck loop from underneath once more. Finally, thread the wide end down through the front loop you just created. This action begins to define the knot's shape. Keep the knot relatively loose at this stage, as you'll adjust it in the final step. To finish, hold the narrow end and gently slide the knot up towards your collar. Adjust it until it sits firmly and centrally, just below your Adam's apple. The tip of the wide end should ideally reach your belt buckle, or just above it. Smooth out any wrinkles and ensure the knot is symmetrical. With a little practice, you'll master this in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.